Once upon a time, in the heart of a lush green forest lived a mighty lion. He was a king of the jungle, feared and respected by all the animals. But the lion had a problem. He tried and he tried, but it just wouldn't come out. That's when he decided he needed help. He said, "I know a cure for your cough, but you must be very careful. It's a very dangerous journey to get it." The lion, desperate for a solution, thanked the fox and set off on his journey. So he went to see a wise old fox who lived deep in the forest. He walked and walked until he saw a small hut. Smoke was coming out of its chimney and the sound of a donkey braying could be heard. The lion knocked on the door, and when it opened, he asked, "Are you Dr. Ass?" "That's right," replied the ass. Come in, come in." The lion told the ass about his cough and how the fox had sent him to see him. You see, he had a chronic cough that just wouldn't go away. It was so bad that he couldn't even roar properly. But as soon as they were in the middle of the river, the lion asked, "Hey, farmer, do you know how to cure a lion's cough?" The farmer looked at him and replied, "Why, I'm on my way to see the specialist, Dr. Ass. He's the one who can help you." The lion, too weak to argue, simply nodded his head, hoping the ass would agree to help him. "You see," said the ass, "I want you to bring me a jar of honey from the beekeeper's house." The lion was furious. He was supposed to be the king of the jungle, feared by all, and here he was, doing menial tasks for an ass. Still, his cough was getting worse and worse, so he agreed and went to get the honey. The lion was confused. He thought the farmer was taking him to see Dr. Ass, but it seemed like they were going in the opposite direction, and this made him very sad. The current was so strong that he couldn't swim across, so he did the only thing he could. He sat on the bank and waited for a boat to pass by. Luckily, a farmer saw him struggling and offered to take him across in his boat. One day, the lion was lying on his back, paws in the air, trying to cough up something that was stuck in his throat. When the lion explained his problem, the fox had an idea. After walking for a while, the lion came across a river. The lion jumped into the boat and they started rowing. When they reached the other side, the lion thanked the farmer and hurried on his way. The ass listened patiently and then said, "I can definitely cure your cough, but I have a condition." The end.